Hello everyone, I'm Eleonora Indira Kastiti, and in this video, I will let you know about the solutions that I found for the questions given in Calculus Differential Second Midterm Examinations Part 2. So, in the questions given, we are going to find the derivative of A, B, C, D, and E. But in this chance, I will only tell you about the solutions of number A, B, and E. And we will use the chain rule to find the solutions of the questions number A, B, and E. So now we will look for the function given in A. There are y equals 7 minus 5t to the third power. We assume that u equals 7 minus 5t, as we have before that y equals 7 minus 5t to the third power, and now we have u equals 7 minus 5t. Now we can write y as u to the third power. We will find turunan u terhadap t dan turunan y terhadap u untuk memperoleh turunan y terhadap t. In the Leibniz notation, we can write it with du dt as turunan u terhadap t dan dy du as turunan y terhadap u. So we find du dt equals minus 5 and dy du equals 3 times u square. And then we can write turunan y terhadap t itu dengan notasi Leibniz itu menjadi dy dt equals dy du times du dt. And then we will replace the du dt and dy du using the substitution. So we have 3 times u square times minus 5 equals. So now we replace the u with 7 minus 5t using the substitution. So we have 3 times 7 minus 5t square times minus 5. And then we can find that the derivative of y is minus 15 times 7 minus 5t square. Let's move to the next question. In B, we have y equals tan square cos theta. Like before, we assume u as cos theta, so we can have y equals tan square u. We can find du d theta as turunan u terhadap theta is minus sin theta, and we also can find dy du as turunan y terhadap u is 2 tan u secant square u, and the derivative of y can be written with Leibniz notation as dy d theta equals dy du times du d theta. We are using substitutions with the value of dy du and du d theta that we have found before. So we have 2 times tan u secant square u times minus sin theta. We're using substitution to replace u with cos theta, so we have 2 tan cos theta secant square cos theta times minus sin theta. So we have the derivative of y is minus 2 sin theta tan cos theta secant square cos theta. So next, we are going to the last number, which I will tell you in this video. So in E, we have y equals ln x squared plus 3x minus 1. We assume u as x squared plus 3x minus 1, so we can have y equals ln u. We can find dy du as turunan y terhadap u is 1 over u, and du dx as turunan u terhadap x is 2x plus 3. So because of that, we can find the derivative of y, which in the Leibniz notations we write it with dy dx equals dy du times du dx. And then we are going to using the substitutions with the value of dy du and du dx which we have found before. So now we have 1 over u times 2x plus 3. Next, we are using the substitution to replace the u with x squared plus 3x minus 1. So we have the derivative of y is 2x plus 3 over x squared plus 3x minus 1. So that is the explanation of the solutions from the questions and calculus differential second midterm examinations part 2. Hope this will be useful for all of us, and thank you!